Saint James the Greater, the patron saint of the Pitan city in Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, is a symbol of faith, courage, and cultural heritage, known in Spanish as Santiago Matamoros. He was one of the 12 apostles of Jesus and is often depicted as a pilgrim or warrior saint. His legacy in the Pitan dates back to the Spanish colonial period, where Christianity was first introduced to the region. Each year, the Pitan celebrates the Kinabayo festival in his honor, a vibrant blend of religious devotion and historical reenactment that showcases the city's rich traditions and deep Catholic roots. As both a spiritual protector and a cultural icon, St. James the Greater continues to inspire the people of the Pitan to live with faith, resilience, and unity.